Welcome to Vincore ERP, a complete construction ERP solution that manages projects, workforce, inventory, equipment, subcontract, finance, and analytics. Your workforce is one of your largest project costs. Vincore helps you manage every stage of workforce operations, from employee scheduling to payroll-ready timesheets. Project managers can create daily, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly schedules and assign employees based on job, phase, cost code, role, and availability. Employees can clock in and out through web or mobile devices. GPS location, geofencing, and photo verification help ensure that attendance is captured accurately from the correct worksite. Vincore automatically identifies missed punches, incomplete entries, overtime, manual edits, and other attendance exceptions. Supervisors can review, correct, and approve time entries through controlled approval workflows. Once approved, timesheets can be prepared for payroll, and labor costs can be allocated directly to the correct project and WBS. A project cannot be controlled without a clear understanding of its budget and actual costs. Vincore structures project costs using a detailed work breakdown structure. Create jobs, phases, cost codes, WBS levels, and detailed budget items that reflect how your company manages projects. Track the initial budget, approved budget changes, committed cost, and actual cost from one connected view. Purchase orders, subcontract commitments, equipment rentals, labor costs, and miscellaneous expenses automatically contribute to project cost visibility. Project managers can compare budget against committed and actual amounts, identify cost overruns early, and take corrective action before margins are affected. Material delays and uncontrolled consumption can significantly impact project schedules and profitability. Vincore provides complete material visibility from procurement through warehouse receipt, stock movement, site issue, and final consumption. Procurement teams can create purchase orders with project, vendor, warehouse, item, quantity, price, and delivery information. When materials arrive, the store team can create a goods receipt note against the purchase order. Received and rejected quantities are captured with batch information, supporting documents and approval details. Stock balances are updated automatically after approval. Materials can then be transferred between warehouses, issued to a site, returned to inventory, or recorded as consumed against the correct job and WBS. Every movement is recorded, giving the business full traceability of material quantities and values. Equipment is essential to construction operations, but idle machines, inaccurate usage records, and delayed rental invoices can increase project costs. Vincore allows teams to manage owned and rented equipment from a single platform. Record equipment rental agreements, rental periods, rates, suppliers, and project assignments. Site teams can capture daily or hourly equipment usage against the correct job, phase, and WBS. The system calculates rental usage costs and helps finance teams verify supplier invoices against actual recorded usage. Managers can monitor equipment availability, utilization, idle time, and cost by project. Subcontractors are a critical part of project delivery, but managing contracts, progress claims, variations, retention, and payments manually can lead to disputes and financial risk. Vincore digitizes the complete subcontract lifecycle. Start with the subcontract agreement and work order. Define the BOQ, scope of work, quantities, rates, contract value, retention terms, and payment conditions. As work progresses, subcontractors can submit progress claims based on completed quantities. Project teams can verify the claim against the approved BOQ and recorded progress before approval. Approved claims can be converted into subcontract invoices with retention, taxes, previous payments, and outstanding balances calculated clearly. Variations are recorded separately and included only after approval. Payment tracking provides a complete view of certified amounts, retention, paid amounts, and remaining balances. In many construction businesses, operational systems and accounting systems are disconnected. Teams complete purchase receipts, subcontract invoices, and rental usage records. But finance must manually recreate the same transactions. Vincore connects project operations directly with finance. Approved goods receipt notes can create inventory or GRNI accounting entries. Equipment usage can generate rental expense accruals. Subcontract invoices can post project costs, accounts payable, and retention payable. Miscellaneous project expenses can be posted against the appropriate expense, WBS, vendor, bank, or cash account. Vendor invoices, customer invoices, payments, receipts, and ledger transactions remain connected to their original operational documents. Finance teams gain complete traceability from the general ledger back to the project transaction. The real power of Vincore comes from connecting every module. Workforce hours become labor cost. Purchase orders become committed cost. Goods receipts update stock and finance. Equipment usage updates, project rental cost. Subcontract claims become certified invoices. Every transaction flows into the project budget, job cost, and financial records. Instead of managing separate systems, your teams work from one connected source of truth. Vincore gives construction companies the clarity to understand what is happening, the control to manage every workflow, and the confidence to make better decisions. Reduce administrative effort, improve workforce productivity, control materials and equipment, strengthen subcontract management, protect project margins, connect operations with finance, build with clarity, control with confidence. Vincore, one connected construction platform.